Hi, and welcome back to Building with Blocks. Previously, we were talking about templates and their relation to pages. Now we are going to talk about template parts and patterns which can help you design your templates quickly. If we open any template for editing, let's say this index page or whatever template, really, no sidebar, let's take a look at page single sidebar template. We can immediately see there's a header, there's a sidebar, and there's a footer. Okay, so let's try to open another template. Let's say the pages template. There's a header, there's one sidebar, right sidebar, and again, footer. This is very useful because template parts and patterns can help you design your templates quicker. Instead of making an individual sidebar for every template or individual header, individual footer for every single template, you can just create a template part and use it in your templates. To access template parts and patterns, you will go to the editor homepage and then click on Patterns. It will immediately load all the available template parts and all patterns. And for all of you guys with the keen peepers, you will see that there is review one change over here. I honestly have no idea why is this showing up. This change refers to header PeepSo template part, and I have no idea why. I obviously did not do any change to it, right? If you notice the same thing, let me know. It could be a bug. Let's save it to make it gone. Let's focus our attention to template parts, or all template parts. We have headers, footers, and sidebars, all right? If we open a header, there are two headers available that we can edit. There is one footer available, and this footer is basically used in all templates. And there are four sidebars. We are going to leave sidebars for the next episode. Right now, we are going to change our footer. Let's change the title. Just slow it down. Okay. And let's change it to YouTube guides. We can change this designed by PeepSo. Once again, I just need to slow it down so I can start typing. I don't need editing here, so let's remove this block completely. All right, so you can change whatever you want in this footer template part, and this template part will be automatically applied to all of your templates. Let's save it. And now let's go and check our templates. Let's open any template. Pages template, for example, and check our footer. You will see that this template part is automatically applied to this template, and because we changed in the template parts, the change is applied for all of our templates. Let's check another one. This page single sidebar template. Once again, the footer template part is used on this template as well. If we check it, whatever the change we made in the template part, it is applied in the template itself. In a similar fashion as we just did with the footer template part, you can change all template parts. Headers, sidebars, everything, basically all patterns that are applied to templates. You don't have to edit them in each template individually. every single template that use those parts will have them automatically applied as long as this template part or pattern is used within the template. All right, let me show you one more thing before we finish this episode. If we go to headers or template parts and then header, we will see that there are two different headers. And which one is going to be used depends on the selection in the template. Allow me to show you. Go back to templates and open the pages template or whatever template you are using for your pages. Expand the header content, all right, and switch to block. Okay. Now in the design section, you can choose which one you want to use. Let's switch to this one, save it. Now, when we open our website is going to use this header template. Once again, for you guys with the keen eyes, you will see that we changed the footer and changed this stats to YouTube guides, right? But it's also changed here in the header and here on our website. Now, why is that? Well, it is really simple. Allow me to show you. When I changed the template part for the footer, I didn't change just the text. I actually changed the block that is a site title. You see, this block over here is actual site title block. It's not just the text. There it is, site title. And it's going to be changed as a site title everywhere on my website. If I go to the settings and then general, I think, you see my site title has actually changed. I basically set the WordPress setting within the block theme or within the block. More advanced features like these are really subject for the future videos. For now, I'm gonna finish this one here, and in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to change your sidebars. Bye!